We do have more women coming into the workforce, perhaps not as many as we would like. But what are you seeing today in terms of trends?
Okay, just a couple of data points. So our company, InfoEdge, has 40% women. Now, that may look like a good number, but it was 50% 10 years ago.
It was 50%. So you've actually declined.
It's gone down. Now, I asked the head of HR why. So, currently, reason number one is that there are businesses that have grown like 99 acres, where in the sales force, women don't want to work because they don't want to go and meet brokers, and sometimes brokers misbehave, and we respect that. So we don't take women there. I mean, if you want to, fine, but by and large, no. So that has grown. So usse auratein kam hui hain. The second is the companies become more and more tech. Now, as the companies become more and more tech, you're hiring more engineers, okay? And there, again, the percentage of women is lower. Okay. Now, 40% is decent, but the trend from 50 to 40 is not good.
Yeah.
Now, this is trend number one. Trend number two is there are 40% women, but if you take the top 50 or 100 people in the company, it's 15%. Okay. So I asked, now, if you probe why, it's the same reason. There's a lot of product tech people in the top 100, 150, because the companies become more product tech, and there aren't enough women. Okay. Now, our head of HR is a woman, is a female. So it's not as if there's a bias in the hiring, okay, against women. It's just that there aren't enough of them in product tech, in senior positions in industry where you can hire from. Now, so, you dig further and you get data out. So I've got some data.
Yeah, please pull out the data, because the data does not lie. So let's understand what is going on there.
So I am Ahmedabad, 25% women, 75% male. This is up from 15% in my batch, but it's still 75% male. Yeah? You remember?
I remember. It was even lower in mine.
Are you batchmates?
1 year senior. He's 1 year senior. I am Bangalore, 60% male. I am Calcutta, 64% male. I am Lucknow, 70% male. I am Indore, 70% male. I am Kozhikode, 40% male. Basically, you've got to get more women into those places where 20 years from now, 15 years from now, your senior management will come from.
Yeah.
And IITs, all the IITs. Now, this is IT ka data ChatGPT se, so it's approximate. 80% men.
Yeah.
All of them. Right? You will, if you're not producing enough engineers from the top colleges who are female, you will not produce 20 years from now enough tech heads and CTOs who are women. It's as simple as that.